सो अगर आप किसी बिजनेस में हैं या कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल करना चाहते हैं, देन दिस वीडियो। If you want to sell a product, if you want to like generate leads to your website, if you have an ongoing business or just starting up, SEO is the most important thing of all the digital marketing techniques. So in this video we'll be talking about search engine optimization. So you might wonder what exactly is SEO. So let us take an example. Google is a search engine, okay, and you have a website. So how do you rank your website at a higher level so that anyone searching a similar product is not able to compete with you? So this is known as search engine optimization. In simple words, it ranks your website higher than your competitor's website so that it ranks your product well, and also this is only done by using specific keywords related to your content. So search engine optimization is basically optimizing your content or product so that it ranks higher in the Google search engine, so that it recommends more and more users to your product or your website, and you rank higher and higher in the Google rank engine, as well as you sell more products. So in short, this is simply SEO. So number one is the white hat SEO. So white hat SEO is basically low risk and high rewards SEO. So in this search engine optimization, what you do is you do an extensive research and you find the keywords related to a product and then market it using Google AdWords. So this is what white SEO does. So it is useful for any new startups, any new businesses, or any new products you want to sell. Number two is black hat SEO. So black hat SEO is the most like widely used SEO, and it can also get your site blacklisted in Google. So what happens is, if you have a site, so when you list it on Google, so Google launches a web crawler which crawls to your website and gets the data from it and presents it to Google. So this is a basic process, okay. In the black hat SEO, what it does is it shows products and content to users which are not related to your content. So it is showing products to all the bots, all the crawlers, and all the users who do not want your content or who are not interested in the specific category. So this is also known as cloaking, and you should not do black hat SEO. It can also get your site blacklisted, and you will not be able to sell your product anymore on Google. So do not use this. So number three is a gray hat SEO. So gray hat search engine optimization is basically, it falls between the white hat SEO and the black hat SEO, and this contains mainly the clickbait content, which I hate, and I also do not encourage like users and content creators to do this. So it includes the clickbait content, and Google does not prohibit the gray hat SEO, but you should stay away from using these. So if you want to sell a good product, just stay away from these so your site would not get blacklisted. There are a lot of good ways to promote your product. I will tell you later. Number 4 is the negative SEO. So negative SEO is like, do not ever use negative SEO, because negative SEO is basically hacking into someone's site and like putting in some low level links there so that user clicks on it and the website performance decreases. So it can also lead to legal actions if you are hacking into someone's product website, or like putting some error or bug in their website. So it can also lead to legal consequences. So stay away from it at any cost. Next is the technical SEO. So technical SEO is what basically Google does is it has a crawler, right, which crawls to your website and categorizes your data. Like there is a lot of data, right? So crawler goes to your website, crawls over the data, and then categorizes them into each and every content. And when the user clicks on your content, if he is interested in the content, then Google will show your product to that user. So technical SEO is basically XML. You just make an XML sitemap of all the things in order place. And for example, if I have a sneakers collection, I will place them according to size, and then Google will crawl through my website and then take the relevant data from it. And if someone is searching for a sneaker size of like 10, then Google will show my website so that the user can buy my product. Next, and the most important SEO which you should use and which everyone like 95% of the people uses is the on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is basically you have a website, right? And you do not want to have broken links in there so that anyone clicks on the link and it is like a server error. You do not want that, and you also do not want unwanted images or like big images like the user which do not want to see. Also, on-page SEO is providing high quality content and providing value to the users. So if your product like gives value to the users, then on-page SEO is the right fit for you. The last SEO is the off-page SEO. So off-page SEO is basically you do not go to your site, but you depend on various external factors. So for example, you create an online forum, you create a Google form, and you send it to a lot of people and get the reviews. You told people to review your website or product so that it is better ranked in the Google search engine. So off-page SEO is basically relying on external factors. So this is why SEO is so important. It puts you ahead of the competition. For example, two companies selling the same product, one must be ranked higher, and this is only because of SEO. SEO also helps in building a good user experience, and also if user goes to your site and likes the product, he or she will be happy to promote it or on other social media handles like LinkedIn, Facebook. And SEO is the most important thing in related to keywords also. And if you have any doubts, my Kindle book, An Ultimate Guide to Search Engine Optimization, is also live on Amazon KDP platform. So this book basically teaches you about all the types of SEO, why is it important, how to sell your website and blog, and how to generate keywords which are relevant to your content and your product. So it is live on Amazon KDP platform, and you can read it for free through the app. So go check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.
Coming for the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in